kids! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a cute house in spring with flowers, sunshine, and a butterfly. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So grab your black marker, some paper, and let's get started. First, let's draw the land, a curved line across the bottom. Now draw lots of little grasses and leaves on the ground. Zigzag lines make great grass. Let's draw some cute flowers popping out of the grass. You can draw circles for the center and petals all around. Now, let's draw the house. Draw a rectangle for the wall. On top of that, draw a triangle roof. That's the roof of our cozy house. Let's add a chimney on one side of the roof. Now draw a window on the wall. It's like a square with curtains inside. And draw some curly lines coming out of the chimney. That's the smoke. Let's decorate the triangle roof with tiles. You can draw little U or curved shapes one after another. It's springtime, so let's draw the sun in the sky, a big circle with long lines all around it.
La da 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 dee.
And let's draw a cute butterfly flying near the house. You can use two big wings and a tiny body. Nice job, everyone! Our spring house drawing is complete. Now let's make the outlines bold and sharp to make our drawing pop. So cool, right?
Yay!
Now it's time to add some colors. Let's use our color pens. Green color.
Wow! La 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 la.
Brown color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Red color.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Orange color.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Blue color. Yellow color. Pink color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Awesome work, little artists! Your house looks amazing! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun drawings every week. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.